Hi LearnPress users. LearnPress has integrated fill-in-blanks type quizzes in its latest version. The fill-in-blanks type quizzes have 4 subtypes, which are 1. Match case, which means user's answer must match even cases. 2. Words match. User answer must match words equally. 3. Range match. Match any number in a range. So if you have given a range of 100, 200, a user filling 101 will imply the correct answer, but any number out of range will be a wrong answer. Number 4. Match any word out of a group of words. This video is a demo on importing all kinds of fill-in-blanks type quizzes from a CSV file using our LearnPress quiz importer plugin. So, let's see how it can be done. We assume you have already installed the latest version of our plugin and downloaded the CSV template. Open the template. Fill the quiz, question title and content columns. Fill other columns like question tag, marks, explanation, hints, etc. Most important is to input fill _ blanks in the type column. In the column title, Answer 1, we will type sentences having fill-in blanks for users to fill the answer. In this column, you need to write the 4 subtypes of fill-in blanks type quiz in a very specific way. If you want to put only option, write fib fill in the square brackets and write your option within double quotation marks. Like, fib fill equals hello. If you want to enable the match case option, add match _ case equals true attribute in the shortcode. It will match 2 words in case-sensitive logic. Note that we can enable 3 types of comparison for each answer option, which are equal, range and any. If you want to put an equal comparison within answer options, add comparison equals equal attribute in the shortcode. It will compare 2 words that are equal. If you want to enable range comparison within answer options, add comparison equals range attribute in the shortcode. It will match any number in a range. Use 100, 200 will match any value from 100 to 200. If you want to enable any comparison within answer options, write or add comparison equals any attribute in the shortcode. It will match any value in a set of words. Use option 1, option 2, option 3 will match any value in the set. Now, if you want to attach your quiz with a course, write course id in the assigned course column. You can attach quizzes with a specific section by mentioning section title in the assigned section column. Now, you can enable quiz duration, passing grade, instant, negative marking, minus for skip, retake, pagination, review and show correct answer option without going to each quiz set manually. Now, save your quiz import template in CSV format. Now, go to LearnPress Quiz Importer menu and select your import template. Click the Process CSV button. Your quiz will import successfully and it will with the mentioned course. That's it. If you want to buy this quiz import plugin, please see the video description for more details.